Well, would you look at that? Wow. It's been about a week and a half since I've been down here. You'll see by the previous video that I've just posted to this one how dry this thing was. You know, this end was just a puddle, and then there's this big fella continues down here, and it's actually quite clean. So the rain we've had must have overflowed the dam and pushed all the weed out, because it's quite clean. But she's one big dam again. God, I was getting a bit concerned because winter's here now. We don't get a great deal of rain in winter. I thought my dam was going to dry up, but obviously all the runoff from the neighbour's paddock all runs down, actually runs down into there, and that flows like a waterfall. Oh, that's good. That makes me happy. The boys are up in the corner having a bit of siesta. Happy days. Happy days.